The term 3D printing refers to a number of different technologies with which three-dimensional items can be made. The basic principle is the same for each method. The item is printed layer by layer. As a first step, a computer program creates a three-dimensional model of the object. Then, another program divides the model into section planes and, based on these, sends the list of instructions to the 3D printer. Fused deposition modeling, or FDM, is one of the most widespread and best-known 3D printing technologies. The process consists in heating and extending thermoplastic materials. Today, various plastics are used to produce filaments for 3D printing. Moreover, filaments made of a mixture of ceramic or metallic powder and a binder are also available. During the kinds of 3D printing based on photopolymerization, objects are created using a photopolymer, that is, a liquid that solidifies when exposed to light. In the case of the SLA, or stereolithography technology, the structure of the object is drawn into the liquid using a laser. With the DLP, or digital light processing technology, each layer of the 3D model is projected onto the photosensitive liquid as an image. LCD printers use an LED light source and an LCD screen to polymerize the liquid. The screen functions as a mask, so only the necessary pixels in the photopolymer are exposed to the light. In powder-based 3D printing, a great variety of materials can be used. It mostly involves plastic or metal powder, but glass and ceramic objects can be printed as well. The first step is to spread a very thin and even layer of powder on the build platform using a cylinder or a blade. Then, a slice of the object is formed in the powder layer. Several techniques exist to do so. One technique entails a binder being applied to certain parts of the powder layer determined by a computer. Another method involves fusing the metal or plastic particles with a precisely controlled laser or electron beam. After this layer is finished, the build platform descends, a new powder layer is spread over it, and the next layer of the structure is printed. This procedure is repeated until the object is completed. Finally, the object is pulled out of the powder before it becomes solid. At the dawn of 3D printing, its main application was the quick creation of prototypes. Since the 2000s, the number of fields of application of 3D printing has been growing continuously. Thanks to this technology, custom items can be made fast, while less waste is produced. In the car manufacturing, construction, and healthcare industries, 3D printing makes it possible to create objects that would not be possible to create using other technologies.